Revolvers are timeless classics in the world of firearms, celebrated for their simplicity and reliability. These handguns use a rotating cylinder to hold and fire ammunition, making them a favorite for self-defense, concealed carry, and sport shooting. With a reputation for durability and ease of use, revolvers have an enduring appeal among firearm enthusiasts and continue to be a symbol of American Wild West lore. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 9. Ruger SP-101. A compact and robust revolver that exemplifies Ruger's reputation for durability and reliability. Chambered in .357 Magnum or .38 Special, the SP-101 offers a dependable and versatile sidearm for both concealed carry and home defense. Its rugged stainless steel construction ensures longevity and reduced recoil, while the cushioned rubber grip provides a comfortable and secure hold. With its compact frame and short barrel lengths, it is easily concealable, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable self-defense option. The SP-101's double-action trigger offers consistent and smooth pulls, ensuring accurate shots when it counts. Whether you're a seasoned revolver enthusiast or new to wheelguns, the Ruger SP-101 stands as a symbol of durability and performance, setting a standard for reliable concealed carry revolvers in the world of firearms. Number 8. Smith & Wesson Performance Center 986 9mm. A pinnacle of revolver craftsmanship designed for discerning shooters seeking precision and performance. Chambered in 9mm, this revolver combines the classic charm of a wheelgun with modern enhancements. Crafted by the Performance Center, it features a stainless steel frame and cylinder for enhanced durability and reduced recoil. The Performance Center's attention to detail ensures impeccable fit and finish. The 7-round Moon Clip magazine system offers convenient reloading and consistent ejection. With its tuned action and adjustable sights, the 986 delivers remarkable accuracy and crisp trigger pulls. Whether you're a competitive shooter, a revolver enthusiast, or a discerning marksman, the Smith & Wesson Performance Center 986 9mm stands as a symbol of precision and excellence, setting a new standard for high-performance revolvers in the world of firearms. Number 7. Taurus Raging Hunter 460. A powerhouse revolver that redefines the concept of big-bore handguns. The Raging Hunter boasts an imposing stainless steel construction with a striking two-tone finish, combining both form and function. Chambered in the potent 460s and magnum caliber, it offers devastating stopping power suitable for hunting large game and personal protection. The ventilated rib barrel design not only enhances accuracy but also mitigates recoil, ensuring manageable control. With an integrated Picatinny rail on top of the barrel shroud, it's ready for optics and accessories. Whether you're a hunter, a handgun enthusiast, or simply appreciate raw power in your firearms, the Taurus Raging Hunter 460 stands as a symbol of versatility and potency, setting a new standard for big-bore revolvers in the world of firearms. Number 6. Kimber 6 is dasa. A compact and versatile revolver designed for reliability and precision. Chambered in .357 Magnum, the K6 dasa combines the classic charm of a wheelgun with modern features. With its stainless steel frame and cylinder, it offers durability and reduced recoil, and the ergonomic rubber grips ensure a comfortable and secure hold. The K6 dasa's double-action trigger provides smooth and consistent pulls, while the single-action mode delivers crisp and precise shots. With a 6-round capacity, it offers dependable firepower for various shooting scenarios. Number 5. Ruger Custom Shop Super Geep 100. A precision-crafted revolver that redefines the capabilities of modern wheelguns. Chambered in .357 Magnum, this revolver represents the pinnacle of Ruger's craftsmanship and performance. With its stainless steel frame and cylinder, the Super Geep 100 offers durability and reduced recoil, while the hardwood grip provides a comfortable and secure hold. The cold hammer-forged barrel and polished trigger ensure exceptional accuracy and crisp pulls. Its adjustable rear sight and fiber optic front sight enhance target acquisition. With an 8-round capacity, it offers ample firepower for a variety of shooting applications. Whether you're a competitive shooter, a revolver enthusiast, or simply appreciate the art of fine firearms, the Ruger Custom Shop Super Geek 100 stands as a symbol of precision and excellence, setting a new standard for custom revolvers in the world of firearms. Number 4. Smith & Wesson Performance Center 500s and Magnum. A true powerhouse revolver that pushes the boundaries of handgun performance. Chambered in one of the most potent handgun cartridges, the Performance Center 500 offers unparalleled stopping power suitable for hunting large and dangerous game. Crafted with precision by the Performance Center, it features a stainless steel frame and cylinder for enhanced durability and reduced recoil. The Performance Center's meticulous attention to detail ensures exceptional fit and finish. The revolver boasts an adjustable muzzle brake to manage recoil, a Picatinny rail for optics, and a crisp single-action trigger for precision shots. Whether you're a big game hunter, a handgun enthusiast, or simply seek the ultimate in raw power, the Smith & Wesson Performance Center 500s and Magnum stands as a symbol of pure potency and innovation, setting a new standard for high-performance revolvers in the world of firearms. Number 3. Charter Arms Pitbull. A unique and innovative revolver designed to simplify the use of rimless cartridges. Available in various calibers like 9mm, 40s, and .45 ACP, the Pitbull eliminates the need for moon clips typically required for rimless rounds. This makes reloading quicker and more straightforward. The Pitbull's stainless steel construction ensures durability and longevity, while the ergonomic rubber grips provide a comfortable hold. With its 5-round capacity, it offers a compact and reliable option for concealed carry and personal defense. Whether you're a revolver enthusiast or someone looking for a practical and user-friendly firearm for self-defense, the Charter Arms Pitbull stands as a symbol of innovation and convenience, setting a new standard for revolvers in the world of firearms. Number 2. Korth Carry Special. A masterful blend of artistry and engineering, meticulously crafted for those who demand nothing but the best in a concealed carry revolver. Designed and handcrafted in Germany, the Carry Special represents the pinnacle of revolver design and precision. Chambered in 357 Magnum, this masterpiece offers unparalleled accuracy, reliability, and smooth operation. Its stainless steel frame and barrel provide durability and reduced recoil, while the hand-fitted wooden grip ensures both beauty and control. The Carry Special's trigger, meticulously tuned for perfection, delivers an exquisite shooting experience. With a 6-round capacity, it provides dependable firepower for personal defense. Whether you're a collector, a discerning marksman, or someone who values the finest in firearms, the Korth Carry Special stands as a symbol of elegance and excellence, setting a new standard for concealed carry revolvers in the world of firearms. Number 1. Chiappa Rhino 20s. A revolutionary and unconventional revolver that challenges traditional firearm design. Chambered in 357 Magnum, the Rhino 20s offers a unique appearance and innovative features. Its distinctive design places the barrel lower in the frame, resulting in reduced recoil and improved muzzle control, making it ideal for rapid follow-up shots. The 20s variant features a 2-inch barrel, enhancing its maneuverability for concealed carry or home defense. The ergonomic rubber grip ensures a comfortable and secure hold. With a 6-round capacity, it provides reliability and versatility in a compact package. Whether you're an enthusiast of unconventional firearms or simply seek a dependable and distinctive revolver, the Chiappa Rhino 20s stands as a symbol of innovation and adaptability, setting a new standard for revolvers in the world of firearms.